have the question of simultaneous, but it says solve simultaneous using matrix, or you just say matrices. First, you can write this bracket offset. You can say it here. It is x, but there's a 1 here. But you can see here you have a 1. Here you have 3. Here you have 4. Here you have 2. You just write numbers, but don't write the variables. Okay, and then you cross this, and then here you can write the variable of x and y, and then you said it is equal to 7 and 15. 7 and 15. You can also write it like this. Everything you can write it like this, and then here you can find the determinant, or just or an inverse for you to find the simultaneous or to solve these matrices. First it's up to you. You can first change here. They say you can do like can say these two number can change the position, but these two number can change the sign. If it's here is a positive, now it's become negative, or if it was a negative 2, it become positive. And then here it is positive 3 become negative. It was negative 3, then become positive. Okay, and then see this one, go here, write it like can say 4. This one can change the position, and then this one change the sign. 4, and then this one become negative 3, then this one become negative 2, and then 1 come here, and then you close the bracket, and then you copy this one here, x, y, you cross, it is equal to 7, 15, and then you close the bracket. I'm not reading the bracket, yeah, it is. And then from that you can now find the determinant of this equation. Now we can say in times out. Okay, first you can see 4 multiplied by 1, that's of using the determinant, right? That 4 can you say minus, can use, or you can always use minus negative 2 times negative 3, and then this gives you here is 4, here is become what, and become okay, that it is 4 here, then negative here, and then here become positive 6, and then become negative, this negative here now become negative 6, which gives you 4 minus this one gives you negative 2. And then it seems like you find the inverse of this matrices. You can write it like this. You can say it is like negative 1 over 2, because it's something like the inverses are like the inverse of this, like over number, 1 over number, like this. And then if even if maybe you can find, or you can even the thing something like 3 over 4, and then as to find the inverse here, you can say just to explode here, then here become, and then say it is 4 over 3, it's come the inverse of this, something like this. And then you continue, you can take this thing below here, and then say here is your inverse that you can use to multiply is this one, and even this one, for you to find the value of x and y. You can write it like the inverse is this 1 over 2. The inverse is always like here, right? And then say like this 4 -3, -2, 1, and then x, y, it is equal to 7, 15, right? And then you can multiply each number here by this determinant. You can say 4 multiplied by this number can gives you it is 4 multiplied by this gives you -4/2. I don't want to simplify first. I will write it like this. I will simplify it later. Then this one times this one, this is a negative and this is a negative, it become positive. It gives you 3/2. And then come here, this is a negative, this is a negative, become positive, 2/2. I will simplify it later. And then you came here, this is a negative and this is a positive, it become -1/2. Then you close, and then you write your x and y, the variable that you are finding, or it is equal to 7/15. And then now you can come and simplify this. Here it is gives what it is now -2, not here, this one by -2. Then here nothing is changed, just 3/2. Here it gives you 1, then here it gives -1/2. Then you close, then x and y, it is equal to 7/15. You ask to find the variables of x and y, right? Okay, now you can go, it's up to you. And then you take your calculator and say you can now you can you can find the value of x first. You can see that x is here more, right? We can take this number, these two number, and then you multiply it by this whole bracket, right? You can say this one times this one, and then this one times this one, right? Okay, you can say -2 times 7, close bracket. Always, cause you multiply, you add, plus this one, which is 3/2 multiplied by 15, you close, and then you punch to your calculator. Like that, you are finding the value of x, right? Then punch it to your calculator, it gives you 17/2, which is the value of x, 17/2. Now this is your final answer for x. Now you can go and find the value of y. The value of y, you can use these two straight. You can see where y is, right? And then you take this and you multiply it by this, and then 1 times 7, and then plus -1/2 times 15, and then we said it is 1, this is the value of y. Then we said 1 times this here 7 times 7, right? Plus use your bracket, plus -1/2 times what? Times 15, and then you punch your calculator, and then it gives you -1/2. And then now you can see that this is the value of y. Then you can write it here, which is this y is equal to -1/2, which is the value of y. And then you are done. That is simple and easy. One more way you can use, you can say it's up to you. You can either start solving, even start from here, instead of using this wrong process. Maybe it is wrong, it's a wrong way for you. You can say -1/2 multiplied by multiplied by 4, and then again you multiply it by 7. Then you say like this, you're finding the value of x, right? And then you add what again, you this one will multiply by this one, and then multiply by this one again. Then you said negative 1 over 2 multiplied by negative 3, which is here, negative 3, negative 3. I know, and then you multiply again by 15, and then you close. Like this, you are finding the value of x. That's the another way, right? And then you say your x, it is equal to, you punch your calculator like this, straight, and then you can get straight. Your answer is 17 over 2. Same story, can use to find your y again. Can use this way. Said 1 over 2 times negative 2, and then times 7, and then plus this one times this one times this one again. You find your answer. Thank you for watching.